If you have a house in Pickerington, Ohio that is occupied by tenants, but you're looking to sell the property and keep everything extremely easy and convenient and fast, we're your people. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and we buy tenant-occupied properties in and around Pickerington, Ohio. This video is for you. So we make it extremely easy because we can handle all communications with the tenant that's living there. And what that means is if this is a tenant that's maybe not paying or something like that, you don't have to have any awkward conversations. We will handle any evictions. That's going to save you tons of money in court costs, filings, posting notices. You don't have to do anything whatsoever. We're very familiar with property management laws here in the great state of Ohio. We've been doing this for a long time, and we can pick up the ball wherever it's at. And we can work with this person and buy the property with the tenants in place. And we're a cash buyer. And a lot of people like this. We're a true cash buyer. So we're not relying on a bank to approve us, and we're going to buy the property in its as-is condition. I don't care if it's the cleanest and most wonderful tenant in the whole world. There's always, if a property's lived in, there's always some types of repairs that are needed. We buy properties in their as-is condition, regardless of how much work or how little work is actually needed for this tenant-occupied property in Pickerington. So if you have a tenant-occupied property and you're looking to sell it fast and conveniently, give us a call. We're here at 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And when we get on the phone, we just need to understand more about what's going on with the property, with the lease situation. We're very familiar with leases, and then also any timelines or time frames that you might be working with, because we could close quickly if needed or create flexibility if that's going to serve your needs better. And our conversation is going to be very straightforward and easy. There's not a lot of, back and forth. We're here to make you a fair cash offer. If our offer works for you, great. We will move forward and communicate clearly with you the entire time to get this thing closed. If our offer doesn't work for you, no crime, no foul. We're not going to leave a bad taste in your mouth. There's no pressure or gimmicks or sales tactics. We can simply shake hands and part as friends. So if you have a property that is occupied, could be anyone, a tenant, a family member, maybe even a squatter, we will buy this property in Pickerington, Ohio, or surrounding areas. We've been buying tenant-occupied properties in and around Pickerington for over 14 years, and we'd love the opportunity to speak with you. And give us a call even if you're just thinking about selling your tenant-occupied property in Pickerington. At least now you'll know what your options are. We can exchange information. We'll tell you 100 different stories of situations and properties just like yours, of people that we've helped. We have tons of references and referrals that you can see on Google as well as on our YouTube channel, and we'd love to make you a successful testimonial or get a good review from you as well. Make us earn it. We will earn it at the closing table. So once again, our phone number is 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. We buy tenant-occupied properties in and around Pickerington, Ohio. We look forward to the opportunity to speak with you, and we look forward to the opportunity to work with you.